In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube comments not showing. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first, I want you guys to open up the YouTube app, and there are many ways why this might not be working. For example, let me search up Cocomelon, or a kid video that has, so if I click on this video, right, when I scroll down, I notice that it says an app made for kids. It says YouTube Kids. So if I click on more, there's no option to comment. This is because when the creator of the video sets their video to YouTube Kids, you cannot comment on it because it is a kids version. They don't want kids seeing the comments. It might be inappropriate, all that stuff. So that's one way why your comment might not be showing. Now, let me go to a different video. Let me click on this. So when you comment, let me just say thanks. Press send. Your comment will appear on the top. Now if I go out of this video and click back in it, and your comment is missing like mine, here might be the reason why. So I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube Studio, and keep in mind that this is from the perspective of the person creating the video. So I'm going to YouTube Studio, and I'll do it in a desktop tab on my computer, on my phone. You can also do this on your computer as well. So I need to open the link in the new tab. Let me switch account. Alright, so this is from the perspective of the YouTube creator. So pretend I am the person who just created the video that I just clicked on, right? If I go to settings, and then I go to community moderation, you'll be able to notice that there is a section that says blocked links, blocked words. So if the person creating the video has words that are blocked, right, your whole comment will not show up. If you say blah blah blah, and then you say a bad word, right, it doesn't matter if the first comment is nice, the second comment is bad, it's going to block the whole comment because YouTube flagged it because they said no. That is one reason. Another reason is if you go to settings on the YouTube app, you can also do this online. But if I go to settings and then I go to general, you can see there is a restricted mode. So restricted mode basically helps hide potentially mature videos, and then it's basically a filter. So if you type something bad, it might also filter it as well. Another way you can get rid of this is by going to your settings and then searching up the app on the actual software. So I'm going to go ahead and search up for YouTube. And then you can clear your cache, or you can completely force stop it, uninstall the app, reinstall it, and then press clear cache, and you can reinstall it, all that stuff. Now if I go back like before, I should have done this earlier, but if you click on settings again and go to community moderation, and you go to defaults, you'll be able to notice that there is a restriction for comments. So there's none, basic, strict, and hold all. So basically these are levels of restrictions for the comments. So basic says hold potentially inappropriate comments. Strict, hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments. Hold all means hold all comments. You won't be able to comment at all. So this is another reason why your comments might not be showing up. If this video helped you out, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel.